Hi, I want to show you how to turn on the live photo on Google Pixel 9a. Firstly, open up your camera and make sure to select photo mode on the bottom. Now, I want you to tap on this little settings icon to open photo settings and find top shot. So this feature is basically live photo. Firstly, you can tap on this little question mark right here and find out more about such photos. And if you want to turn it on, then you need to click on the third icon to see here status on. Also, you can tap on the second icon and set it to auto, so live photos will be taken automatically. And to turn off, you need to tap on this first icon. Let's enable it and try to take a photo. For that, I'm just gonna move my camera a bit like this. And let's check the result. And this is my live photo. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.